Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the app is updated and you're logged into the right account. This prevents permission hiccups. Once done, open the chat you want to theme and tap the chat header. You'll see themes in the settings, select it. Choose the AI theme option to load styles and responses tailored to conversations. This first step sets visual and behavioral defaults, so make sure you pick the AI variant you want before moving to customization. Now you configure how the AI behaves and looks. Adjust personality and tone so replies feel natural to you and your audience. Next, pick avatar, background, and accent colors. The preview shows live how messages render. Then enable smart replies and quick actions so the AI offers suggested messages and buttons. This speeds replies and keeps conversations consistent. Make small tests with a friend to confirm tone and visuals, match your intent before finalizing the theme. Finish by saving the theme and sending test messages to verify appearance and suggested replies act as expected. If something feels off, tweak personality sliders or swap colors until the chat tone matches your goal. You can always revert to default. If the theme won't apply, restart the app and clear cache. If that fails, reinstall Instagram. These steps fix most sync or loading errors. Make sure to double-check on Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.